Got my gun inside a holster, the widow to my innocence, and I'm frothing at the mouth.